Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the best low-maintenance plants for your front yard. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. So let's get started. Number 1. Black-Eyed Susan. Black-Eyed Susan, Rudbeckia, features bright yellow, daisy-like flowers with dark brown centers that bloom from summer into fall. This hardy perennial is not only visually appealing, but also drought-tolerant and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, making it an excellent choice for a vibrant and eco-friendly garden. To care for them, plant in well-drained soil and water regularly until established. Once established, they require minimal watering, and deadheading spent blooms will encourage more flowers. Quick tip: plant them in clusters along a sunny border or in mixed perennial beds for a bold splash of color. Number 2. Lavender. Lavender, Lavandula, is known for its fragrant purple flowers and gray-green foliage, growing in a bushy form up to 3 feet tall. This aromatic herb not only adds a beautiful splash of color, but also attracts pollinators, making it perfect for low-maintenance gardens. Additionally, its drought resistance means it thrives with minimal care. For best results, plant in well-drained soil and full sun, water sparingly, and prune lightly after blooming to maintain shape. Quick tip: use lavender to create a fragrant border along walkways or pathways to welcome guests with its delightful scent. Number 3. Daylilies. Daylilies hemerocallis produce stunning trumpet-shaped flowers in various colors, with each bloom lasting just 1 day. These hardy perennials can grow 1 to 4 feet tall and are incredibly adaptable, thriving in various soil types and conditions. Their vibrant blooms can brighten any front yard with minimal care. To care for daylilies, plant them in well-drained soil and water regularly until established. They are drought-tolerant once established and benefit from occasional fertilization. Quick tip: plant daylilies in drifts or groups near the front of the garden bed to create a colorful, layered effect. Number 4. Butterfly bush. The butterfly bush buddleia is a striking shrub that can grow up to 10 feet tall, featuring long, arching flower spikes in shades of purple, pink, or white. This plant not only attracts butterflies with its fragrant blooms, but also requires minimal maintenance, making it a delightful addition to any front yard. To care for a butterfly bush, plant it in full sun and well-drained soil. Water regularly during dry spells, and prune back hard in late winter or early spring to encourage new growth. Quick tip: position the butterfly bush in a prominent spot where its height can create a stunning focal point, such as at the back of a flower bed or near a seating area. Number 5. Coneflower. Coneflowers, echinacea, are perennial plants known for their large, daisy-like flowers with a prominent cone-shaped center, typically growing 2 to 4 feet tall and coming in various colors, including purple, pink, and white. These drought-resistant plants are easy to grow and attract a variety of pollinators, making them a great addition to a low-maintenance, wildlife-friendly front yard. To care for coneflowers, plant them in full sun and well-drained soil, water regularly until established, and enjoy their beauty with minimal additional care. Quick tip: plant coneflowers in sunny spots, either in the middle of mixed perennial beds or as a colorful backdrop for shorter flowers. Number 6. Coreopsis. Coreopsis is a perennial flower known for its bright yellow, daisy-like blooms that add a cheerful touch to any garden. These plants typically grow 1 to 2 feet tall and can spread easily, blooming throughout the summer and attracting butterflies. Their vibrant color and low maintenance requirements make them perfect for front yards. To care for Coreopsis, plant them in full sun and well-drained soil. water regularly during dry spells, and deadhead spent flowers to encourage more blooms. Quick tip: use Coreopsis as a border plant along pathways or driveways for a sunny, welcoming entrance. Number 7. Boxwood. Boxwood is a popular evergreen shrub known for its dense, compact growth and versatility in landscaping. These shrubs can be shaped easily through pruning, making them ideal for formal hedges, borders, or as standalone focal points in garden beds. Boxwoods retain their leaves year-round, providing consistent greenery, and they are relatively low maintenance, thriving in various soil types. To care for boxwoods, plant them in well-drained soil and provide partial to full sun. Water regularly, especially during dry spells, and prune to maintain the desired shape and size. Quick tip: use boxwood to create structured hedges or borders along walkways or driveways to enhance your front yard's curb appeal. Number 8. Yarrow. Yarrow achillea features feathery foliage and flat-topped clusters of small flowers, typically in shades of yellow, white, or pink, growing 2 to 3 feet tall. This hardy perennial is drought-tolerant and attracts pollinators, making it an excellent choice for low-maintenance gardens that still need vibrant color. To care for yarrow, plant it in well-drained soil and full sun, water minimally once established, and deadhead to encourage more blooms. Quick tip: plant yarrow in sunny spots at the back of flower beds or in wildflower gardens for a natural, relaxed look. Number 9. Petunia. Petunias are versatile annual flowers that come in a wide range of colors and patterns, typically growing 1 to 2 feet tall and suitable for borders, containers, or hanging baskets. They provide vibrant color throughout the growing season and require minimal deadheading, making them perfect for a low-maintenance front yard. To care for petunias, plant them in full sun and well-drained soil, water regularly, and remove spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming. Quick tip: use petunias in containers on porches or patios or as colorful accents in flower beds for a bright and cheerful display. Number 10. Japanese maple. The Japanese maple Acer palmatum is a small ornamental tree known for its stunning foliage, which can range from green to deep red or purple, typically growing 5 to 15 feet tall depending on the variety. Smaller varieties add elegance and color to your front yard while requiring minimal pruning and care, making them a beautiful focal point. For optimal care, plant in well-drained, slightly acidic soil, provide partial shade, and water regularly during dry spells, especially in the first few years after planting. Quick tip: place a Japanese maple near the entrance of your home or in a prominent garden spot to create an eye-catching focal point that enhances your landscape. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best low-maintenance plants for your front yard. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!